Debt settlement and bankruptcy are both methods to address overwhelming debt, but they are distinct processes. You are able to do debt settlement after bankruptcy. Here's what you should know about pursuing debt settlement after bankruptcy. Chapter 7 Bankruptcy. If you filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy and received a discharge, most of your unsecured debts have likely been wiped out. Therefore, there's usually no need for debt settlement because those debts no longer exist. However, if there were specific debts that were not discharged in the bankruptcy, you could consider settling those, but it's less common. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy involves a repayment plan that lasts 3 to 5 years. If, for some reason, your Chapter 13 case gets dismissed, meaning you did not complete the plan, you could then consider debt settlement for any remaining debts. However, if you've successfully completed your Chapter 13 repayment plan, many of your unsecured debts might be discharged, reducing or eliminating the need for debt settlement. Waiting period. If you filed for bankruptcy and it was dismissed or you didn't complete it, there is typically a waiting period before you can file again. During this period, if you're still dealing with substantial debt, you might explore debt settlement as an alternative solution. Impact on credit. Both bankruptcy and debt settlement can negatively affect your credit score. If you've already gone through bankruptcy and are considering debt settlement afterward, it's essential to understand that this could further impact your credit. Professional guidance. Navigating post-bankruptcy financial decisions can be complicated. It's beneficial to consult with a financial advisor or bankruptcy attorney to understand your options and determine the best course of action based on your unique situation. In summary, while it is technically possible to pursue debt settlement after bankruptcy, the circumstances under which it makes sense are limited.